Hey my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So this is the day 13th of my English speaking practice. So this practice session is going to be very special because I am going to share three most powerful idioms which will make your English conversation very confident and natural. So before going to share those, I will give a brief introduction about me. So myself Mansur Ali Ahmed, I belong to the British district of Assam, which belongs to India, and currently I am pursuing a PhD course in mathematics, and my college name is BN College Tupri. So this was a brief introduction about me. If you are a new viewers of my video, please subscribe this channel. Your one subscribe truly motivates me to create more content and boost the quality of my content. So now I am going to share those three idioms. So before going to share those idioms, I would like to define the meaning of an idiom. The meaning of an idiom is different from the exact words. So first idiom is going to be burn the midnight well. Burn the midnight well means to work or study late at night. For example, you can say I burned the midnight well to prepare for my examination. And second idiom is going to be hit the books. Hit books means to study seriously. For an example, you can say my examinations are coming, so I must hit the books. Third idiom is going to be kill two birds with one stone. Kill two birds with one stone means to achieve two goals with one action. For an example, you can say I practiced English while making a videos. I killed two birds with one stone. So these were the three idioms in my video, and I'm going to conclude this video. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining. We'll see in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. And I will bring some new topics, new idioms, and new things in my next video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.